Kublai pi baru kini kilong ki kubor bam ta kasngi. Menteri Rangba aga jela kunrat ke sangma ulai shimbenta ke jingraki World Environment Day arhajar arpendriu hamaura East Khasi Hills hagabola samru yaki Cheque Green Meghalaya shaki Shnong gibe yo benta hapo ke State Payment for Ecosystem Services PES scheme. Konrad ulapliru yaki Eco Cottage bat Glass House Restaurant hapung maura ban kentiu yaki Eco Tourism bat thau lat kamai na ke benta ki trai Shnong. Ulai shimbandaru haga jingtungding da karukom miyawaki habakran ula ong bak maura kadi kanuksa ka babha lor ka jingya trailang hapdeng ka sarkar bat ki patba ban pin impat ya ka maryang ki umpo liu bat ban pelong ya ka Shnong kum ka jaka jungok kai ka barangmi thamai ula banjur bak kam jungok kai kam dei tang halor ki cottage ne restaurant henrei kadi halor ka jingsham jong kinong wan jungok kai ula ongru ba ka jingjam Jong kinu ki project ka deban thau da ka jing kentiu ya ka jing im jong ki pat ba bat om tang da ka jing te ya ki jing don kam.
Everyone welcome Dancing Concept East Khasi Hills Amlak Sanpusa Bajar South Africa. Thank you, sir.
I'm truly happy to be here in Maura. And the reason for this is two. The first reason is that it's a beautiful place with lovely people, and that always makes me want to come here. And second and most important is that what the village today here is doing is a true example of what community and government together can do to make a difference in people's lives and to be able to make a difference in governance and also to be able to make a difference to the environment. For anybody who comes here today to see this small reservoir and the spring, it looks quite nice and quite normal. But I'm sure that the officials from the Soil Conservation Department, the local people from this village, they have a very different picture. Because none of this was there a few years back. The springs had dried. The village was struggling for water. The overall vegetation and forestation had completely depleted. And the story of Maura was just like many other thousands of villages across our state. But today, because of the efforts of the community and the efforts of the Soil Conservation Department and other related departments, Maura is leading by example. What many people thought was never possible a couple of years back is actually happening right in front of us.